Hey guys, how's it going? Orange player Luke Calderon here, and today we're going to open 10 packs of the new set, Secluded Springs. Let's go with the opening. Okay, left to right. Okay. Ah, that's a new card. At least. I want to also complete this set, at least the basic ones. So getting new ones are always welcome. Fivas. Oh, what do we have here? 1-star gold card. Oh, that's so cute. Hey, I don't mind this card. It's really cute. Now the last pack. We didn't hit any. Aside from the fanfare. Wow, that is crazy. Not even a lot of new cards. Okay, guess that's it. How many cards left for the set to be completed? $11 cards. Okay, that's fine. Hopefully next time we got something better. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.